what is up, Monet Gang? So I'm about to do a quick little Easter basket, last minute Easter basket. So what you're gonna need is a hot gun, the hot glue, a ruler, these foam boards, an X-Acto knife, and then something to like outline your letters. I also recommend having something like underneath the foam boards when you cut it out, so like you don't cut the carpet or whatever you're working on. But yeah, I pretty much got everything from the dollar store. And I tried going online to find like a little template of the letters I wanted to use, but they all cost, and I really wasn't like, it's just for my niece and nephew for Easter, so I wasn't trying to pay like $4 or $5 for an outline that I'm only going to use once. So I just did it myself. The letters didn't come out the best looking, but whatever. Okay, so now I'm just about to cut out my outline with the X-Acto knife, and I recommend using like something to keep the knife straight. So once I do the next letter, I use the ruler, and I just put the ruler like on the lines just so I could go like on a straight line, because I ain't got, my hands was real shaky and I was messing up, but yeah. Okay, so this is what it looks like after I cut it out. And then this stuff I'm about to do right here, you don't need to do, but I wasn't even thinking. So basically I'm making a like another T to put on top, because if you was doing 3D letters, like you'll cover it, if that makes sense. I don't know, but this is an Easter basket, so I need to put stuff inside of it, so I don't even need the top part, so just ignore this part. So yeah, this is what it looks like after like I traced the other T and made like two T's. But yeah, I'm not even gonna need that. So right now I'm just about to outline. I'm just about to make like little stands for the outer lines to make it 3D. So basically trace, I don't even know how to word it, but just watch, just watch. You're gonna need like a little square or whatever, and make them all the same height for all the outside pieces. So you can glue them on and then like stand them up. So like watch this. Yeah. Okay, so my camera overheated and stopped recording, but y'all really didn't miss nothing. I made the second letter, and then I did all like the outlining pieces that I needed for the 3D shape. And yeah, I'm just about to hot glue it on there. So my shapes was not perfect, and I'm pretty sure like I mixed up some of the pieces. So to fix that, I just put extra like hot glue in those areas, like just a whole bunch of hot glue just to fix it and like still connect them. Do not laugh at my A, okay? I try my best. But this part is like kind of optional. I had this paper, this tissue paper, and I'm just gonna use it to like cover the letters just to make it look more nice. So yeah, like I said, completely optional. I just used a glue stick and glued the letters, the paper, whatever. So I did like 2 layers of the tissue paper, then I just filled the inside of the box or the inside of the letter with the little Easter grass, and then I just folded it all up. So this is basically the finished product. I didn't have any, I use this for like some of my orders when I'm doing like lip gloss or something. So I don't got no green ones, and I'm not about to go buy none for one day. He's probably gonna throw this away anyway. So I just put the pink ones, the pink little shrink, in my nephew's basket. And then all my stuff I pretty much got from the dollar store. Besides these, I went to Five Below before I went to the dollar store, and I bought these for $3. And then I was so mad when I got to the dollar store, and they basically had them for $1 a bag like this. Like I could have got those. All my candy, all this, you know, these beads I did get from Five Below, but pretty much everything else, like this and this little whoopee cushion, all the stuff that's about to go inside basically came from the dollar store. Yeah, so this is pretty much how they turn out. The eggs didn't even fit anything but the Starburst. So don't get your eggs, but don't get small eggs. I wasn't thinking at first. But yeah, thanks for watching this video, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.